Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Notesnook, Anytype, and Capacities to help you find the best note-taking app in 2025. So let's start with Notesnook. It is a private, encrypted note app with cross-platform sync and a simple UI. Anytype is a local-first, peer-to-peer app focused on knowledge organization and data ownership, while Capacities is a visual, tag-based note tool for creators that uses object-based thinking to link contents. So let's compare three of them. Number one, their privacy. Notesnook focuses on end-to-end encryption, while Anytype also emphasizes decentralization and privacy. On the other hand, also, Capacity syncs via cloud but stores your content securely. Number two, features. Capacities is best for visual thinkers and content creators, while Anytype supports multiple content types. Notesnook is the most minimalistic of the three. Number 3. Usability. Notesnook is a clean and beginner-friendly app. Capacities is intuitive but has more features. And lastly, Anytype is still in development but it is promising. Number 4, their sync options. Anytype syncs via P2P or person-to-person, while Notesnook uses cloud with encryption. Capacities use typical account-based sync. And for the final verdict, choose Notesnook for simplicity and security, Anytype for privacy-first knowledge networks, and Capacities if you want an all-in-one content brain. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.